Place all parts in a cool, dry place away from flammable or high-temperature items. Check if the battery and charger terminals are tight and free from rust and dirt. Connect the charger's DC cord to the battery. Press the DC cord plug to ensure a secure connection, and then place the battery face up on the ground horizontally. Connect the AC input cord to the charger, then plug it into the wall outlet. The battery stays in standby mode, and the charging start-stop button shows a breathing blue light. The charger stays in standby status as well, with its indicator light showing a solid blue light. Press the charging start-stop button on the charger's DC cord once to start charging. The battery screen lights up. The charging start-stop button turns to solid blue, and the charger indicator shows a flashing green light. Note, when the battery is fully charged, the battery screen shows 100% power level. If you need to stop charging, press the charging start-stop button once, then unplug the AC input cord from the wall outlet. Use the magnet on the bottom of the controller to long tap on the power button for 3 seconds, and the battery will turn off.